everyone. Have a good day. Thank you for watching this video. Before we go into the video, I request everyone to subscribe this channel and press the bell button to follow you. Today course is language are used for communication, but vocabularies are used to express our appropriate feelings. Yes, how the language is used to communications like that. In language, when you use a correct vocabulary, that will be express your appropriate exact feelings of your communications. So vocabulary is the main things to main for the language. Let me see the vocabularies. Today we are going to see a first sentence is
Acquiesce.
acquiesce. In English,
Acquiesce.
accept something ridiculously but without protest. That means we are accepting without any against of that. Without any protest, we are accepting whatever it may be. That is that acquiescence.
Acquiesce.
So in Tamil we can say
Inanguvar.
inanguar. So the next sentence words is
Acquit.
acquit. Acquit means free from the criminal charge by evidence or not guilty. Someone from independence, that is getting free from that criminal charge. In Tamil we can say
Viduthalai.
yeah, viduthalai. So acquit is a meaning that someone is come out from the criminal.
Accurate.
Accurate. Acquired is something unpleasant bitter.
Acrid. Acrid.
Acrid. Unpleasantly bitter and pungent. So something
Acrid.
which is not uh, what to say, we can't able to accept pressurely. It's something bitter on that. In Tamil we can say
Uraipana.
uraipana. So it's something like and we can't take usually. That is the things actually.
Acrimonious. Acrimonious.
Acrimonious. Acrimonious. You can see the pronunciation of that actually. Acrimonious.
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 Angry and bitter. Some things which we are angry with something. That is in Tamil we can say
எரிச்சலோடு.
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 Acrimonious.
எரிச்சலோடு. Acrimonious. Acrimonious.
So acrimonious is that which is used to something angry and bitter. Bitter means it's like feel irritating, something like that.
Acrophobia. Acrophobia.
Acrophobia. Acrophobia. Extremely or irritated
Acrophobia.
feeling of height.
Acrophobia. Acrophobia.
See, you can see the sequence of these words actually. It is telling something which is closely related to the words of the feelings, but it's having some difference actually. So previously we see so angry and bitter. That is something which is we are getting angry with uncomfortable. But
acrophobia,
acrophobia is a word which is I feel fear of height. The irritation fear of height. That is, we are irritated in high level. When someone must feel very high level of their irritations, that time we can use this.
acrophobia,
So vocabulary is acrophobia, 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 acrophobia. So in Tamil we can see in
உயரமருட்சி உயரமருட்சி முகடுகள் போன்று உயர்ந்த இடங்களில் இருக்கும் போது ஏற்படும் பேரச்சம் முகடுகள் போன்று உயர்ந்த இடங்களில் இருக்கும் போது ஏற்படும் பேரச்சம்
so something which is irritation of fear of eye. That's a things in telling in the Tamil, that is உயர்ந்த இடத்தில் இருக்கும்போதே ஏற்படும் பேரச்சம். Something which very fear things. When we are standing in very high position, we while looking down you feel some fear of height, right? That is only it's telling that actually உயர்ந்த இடத்தில் இருக்கும்போது ஏற்படும் பேரச்சம். In English we can extreme, that is irritation fear of height, that is you feel very high fear, that is
acrophobia,
acrophobia. So acrophobia is which is which is telling that irritational fear of height. The next vocabulary is
actuate actuate
actuate. Actuate. So
actuate
actuate. Actuate means making operate. Something which you are the reason to make something operate actually. That is actuate. So
actuate
you can see in everyone life some things will make you to do some work. That something, that is someone or some people are making you to do that, that people or belongs to is
actuate
actuate. They actuate actually, they are making the operate actually. If some one coach is there, if you not write your story for you, someone will write their story on you. That is someone who will act make operate. That is
actuate
actuate. Someone actuate you for their story. So in Tamil we can say
தூண்டு தூண்டு
தூண்டு, தூண்டு,
தூண்டு
something which is make to do. And next was
acumen
acumen. Acumen is
acumen
means the ability to make good judgment and taking quick decision. Someone will take a good judgment, doing the good judgment and take quick decisions. They are called acumen.
acumen
Acumen.
acumen
In Tamil,
புத்திசாலித்தனம் புத்திசாலித்தனம்
buddhisalitanam, or otherwise we can say
புத்தி கூர்மை புத்தி
buddhi kurmai.
கூர்மை
So these two are apt of this acumen. And next word is
acute acute
acute. Acute
acute
means
acute acute
acute, present or experience to serve.
acute acute
Something's present. Actually, presently something was talking, that is acute. In Tamil you can say
கடுமையான கடுமையான
கடுமையான, கூர்மையாக,
கூர்மையான
ஞான. You can say that experience of serve or intense in degree. Serves but yeah, short duration, something which is shortly doing, actually sharp sharply doing, that is called
acute,
acute. So next we are going to see
ad lib, ad lib, ad lib,
so ad lib.
ad lib, ad lib,
So ad lib means to speak or performs without previous preparations on one's word. It's like of speaking and performing with previous preparing one's words. So it's like a speaking. If you are telling about the speaking, yeah, you can use this
ad
ad
lib,
lib. In Tamil we can say
உண்ணுமளவு
உண்ணுமளவு.
உண்ணுமளவு
Okay, உண்ணுமளவு. So so
adage, adage,
adage. Adage is something like which is used to telling the express of
adage,
general truth. Proverb. I can say paramoli, proverb. For if someone is telling the proverb, then you can say
adage,
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 adage. In Tamil, we can say
பழமொழி பழமொழி
paramoli. So I hope that today we have saw some good vocabularies which is you can we can use for this in daily life. So I request everyone to use these words in your daily communication so that it will be helpful for you to know to get very good vocabulary knowledge. I'm not telling that you need to be used perfect purposefully, just when the circumstances is coming around this vocabularies, yes, you can go ahead and you can able to tell that so that it will be useful, it will be easy, then easy to remember you, and it will make you to use such good vocabularies in future communication also. So thank you for watching this video. If any queries or anything, please put your comments so that we will definitely address for you. And thank you so much, and once again please subscribe the channel, and links are being given below. Thank you so much.